Hi friends, this is हेमंत सर। इससे पहले हमने 3 वीडियो डाले। उस वीडियो में हमने देखा था हेलोजन डेरिवेटिव। उस हेलोजन डेरिवेटिव में हम लोगों ने देखा था इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट, देन क्लासिफिकेशन, नॉमेनक्लेचर्स और एक क्वेश्चंस भी पूछे गए थे आइसोमेरिज्म के ऊपर। अगर आप लोगों ने वो वीडियो देखा नहीं होगा तो फिर से एक बार जाके देख लो। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं मेथड्स of preparation of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides, it is represented by Rx. Okay, here there are various way for the preparation of alkyl halide. Out of them, from alcohol is one of the important method for the preparation of alkyl halide. Actually, it is a simple substitution type of the reaction. Here, preparation of alkyl halide is a replacement of hydroxyl group of an alcohol by halogen atom. Hydroxyl group may be replaced by the halogen atom using halogen acid, phosphorus halide. It may be PX3 or PX5. Then third, thionyl chloride, SOCl2 is the formula. Means today's session we will discuss reaction for the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol using halogen acid, phosphorus halide, thionyl chloride. So let's start with the first, halogen acid. Correct? First reaction by using halogen acid or hydrogen halide. It is represented by HX. X stand for halides like chlorine, bromine, iodine. The shape increases from chlorine to iodine. Here, the condition for reaction of alcohol with halogen acid depend on the structure of the alcohol and particular halogen acid used. The condition may be alcohol may be primary alcohol, may be having secondary alcohol, may be having tertiary alcohol, and condition of reagent may be HCl, HBr, HI. It's depend on both. Let's see the first reaction with the primary alcohol. ROH actually is called as a supercarbon. But if the OH group is directly linked with the methyl group of the ethane, resulting structure will be primary alcohol. This primary alcohol react with HX. Here H for hydrogen and X stand for halides. With a suitable condition, resulting product is alkyl halide. Here R stand for alkyl and X stand for halide plus water. The bifurcation is given in the bracket. HX means HCl, HBr, HI. What suitable condition means sometimes we need catalyst to complete the reaction. Sometimes we need the temperature. Sometimes we need the different kind of the reactant and reagent like primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Let's see what is primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. Okay, on screen there are 3 0, that is mean 3 degree. 2 0 also given in the second block, that is 2 degree. 1 0, 0 is actually top of the digit, that is 1 degree. And one flag also inserted on each. If you see the third degree, there are 3 R means alkyl group directly attached with the carbon having OH. The structure is called as a tertiary alcohol. Why this structure is called as a tertiary alcohol? Because a carbon atom, see this carbon atom link with the other 3 alkyl group. This carbon atom link with the other 3 alkyl groups. Hence the carbon is called as a tertiary. This center carbon is called as a tertiary. And this tertiary carbon atom link with the alcoholic group. Hence it is called as a tertiary alcohol. See the second structure. This second means secondary structure means a carbon atom link with the only two alkyl group. R means alkyl group. And further this carbon link with the OH. Hence this center carbon is called as a secondary carbon. And overall structure is called as a secondary alcohol. In the primary structure, see this OH directly attached with the carbon and this carbon further attached with only one alkyl group. Hence it is a primary alcohol. The reactivity order actually given. The tertiary is more reactive than the secondary and secondary is reactive than the primary. Here, why is the tertiary alcohol is a more reactive than the secondary and secondary is reactive than the primary? Because in this structure, there are 3 alkyl groups push the electron towards the carbons. Hence, a carbon bearing positive charge after removal of OH. Correct? A carbon bearing positive charge is called as a carbocation. Correct? So tertiary carbocation is more stable than the secondary carbocation than the primary carbocation. Hence the reaction will proceed very fast than the secondary and tertiary. Correct? In this structure, what will be happen? OH is oxygen is a highly electronegative atom having extra lone pair of having electrons will pull the electron towards itself. Hence, a partial positive charge generated. This positive charge is called as a carbocation, and positive charge on carbon having other 3 alkyl group is called as tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation is more stable than the secondary and primary. Hence, the reaction very easily happen with the tertiary alcohol. The reactivity order of alcohol with hydrogen halide is given. Tertiary is more stable than the secondary and than the primary. Here, reaction may be happen with the hydrogen chloride, maybe happen hydrogen bromide, maybe happen hydrogen iodide, depend on the condition. Hydrogen chloride is used with zinc chloride. Reaction process is called as Groove's process. And this happen with only primary and secondary alcohol. Keep in mind. But tertiary alcohol readily react with the concentrated hydrochloric acid in absence of zinc chloride, because tertiary alcohol reaction does not take more time to complete the reaction, but primary and secondary alcohol needs more energy to complete the reaction. Hence zinc chloride is used as a Lewis acid. Correct? Let's see the reaction. ROH is alkyl, means you can say alcohol. When this alcohol react with HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. Actually mixture of HCl and ZnCl2 is called Lucas reagent. When this alcohol react with the Lucas reagent, it gives the alkyl halide plus water. Anhydrous means containing no water. Clear? देखते next. Constant boiling hydrobromic acid, it is 48%, is used for preparing alkyl bromide. Primary alkyl bromide can also be prepared by reaction with sodium bromide and H2SO4. Here HBr is generated in C2. Let's see the reaction. Here ROH alcohol given, HBr is obtained from sodium bromide and H2SO4 in C2. It gives unstable alkyl bromide plus water. With HI, good yield of alkyl iodide may be obtained by heating alcohols with sodium or potassium iodide in 95% phosphoric acid. Here HI is generated in C2. How? Sodium iodide, phosphoric acid. You will get the HI. Then this alcohol react with HI, which is generated in C2. It gives the Ri plus H2. Simply reaction does not happen. If you try ROH plus HI, it gives reversible reaction and product will be Ri plus HI. Because why reversible? HI is a strong reducing agent, hence a simple reaction does not possible. Correct? Let's see. Phosphoric acid का structure, Lewis structure. This is the actual Lewis structure of phosphoric acid. Here, okay. Let's see next. By using phosphorus halide, an alkyl halide may be prepared by action of phosphorus halide or alcohol. Phosphorus tribromide and triiodide also generated in C2. C2 means produced in the reaction mixture in particular situation. Means it can prepare red phosphorus on bromine and iodine. Phosphorus pentachloride react with alcohol gives alkyl chloride. तो ये देखो आपके सामने एक रिएक्शन आ गई. 3 moles of alcohol react with the PX3. PX3 may be Cl3. Okay, it gives 3 moles of RH and H3PO3, that is phosphorus acid. Okay, same will happen with the phosphorus pentachloride. Alcohol react with phosphorus pentachloride, it gives the RCl plus HCl plus POCl3, that is phosphoryl chloride. We have the Lewis structure of phosphorus acid. This is the Lewis structure of phosphorus acid. And this is the Lewis structure of phosphoryl chloride. So this directly reaction does not easily digested. Let's see the mechanism of alcohol with PCl3. See, I have drawn this on a rough copy and pasted directly on PPT. Here ROH, oxygen having lone pair of electron having capacity to donate the phosphorus. Phosphorus, their outermost shell having 5 electrons shared with the one with the chloride, this one, and this one. There are 3 chloride and 2 extra lone pair of electrons. Here oxygen donated the electron to the phosphorus. Okay. Oxygen now in the second structure, the oxygen bearing positive charge because electron donated to the phosphorus. Correct. So oxygen bearing positive charge and phosphorus bearing negative charge because extra electron having. So that a chloride removed because of the electronegativity and directly donated the electron to the alkyl group. Hence it gives the ClR plus it gives HOPCl2. Okay. Then this byproduct HPOHCl2 again react with the alcohol. It gives RCl plus POHOHCl. Okay. Again this byproduct react with the alcohol. It gives RCH3PO3, that is phosphorus acid. Correct? We have getting here 3 RCl. Correct? What was the product over? The product was thrice of alcohol react with pH3, it gives a thrice of RX. Correct? So getting 1, 2 and 3. Okay? Let's see next with the thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride react with straight chain primary alcohol to give unrearranged alkyl group. Unrearranged alkyl chloride. The byproduct obtained are gases. It is sulfur dioxide and hydrogen chloride. There is no need to put extra efforts for its separation because both are the gases. Hence, there is no need to extra efforts to separate the alkyl halide and other byproducts. Therefore, this method is preferred for the preparation of alkyl chloride. See here, a primary alcohol given plus SOCl2 means thionyl chloride heated gives RCl plus sulfur dioxide gas plus hydrogen chloride gas. Correct? Here the Lewis structure of thionyl chloride. A sulfur having extra lone pair of electron plus 2Cl and oxygen. Okay? Oxygen donated the electron to the sulfur, a chloride molecule removed. And directly this chloride directly linked with the alkyl group. Hence you will get the alkyl halide. Okay? So today we have seen again method and preparation with the hydrogen halides, correct, with then reactivity order, then reaction with the Lucas reagent, then reaction with HBr and HI, then with phosphorus halides, then mechanism of it, then using thionyl chloride, very simple and prepared reaction for preparation of alkyl chloride with their Lewis structure. See, this is for you assignment. Our first question is Write IUPAC name of the following compound. That part we have learned in the previous session. Second question, complete the following reaction that we have learned today. I hope you will be complete this assignment after complete this session. If you don't understand, repeat this video again and again and try to solve this assignment. Okay? I hope this video will helpful for you to understand this today's session, that is method and preparation of alkyl halide. Okay? Thank you and